everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here at the track, Orlando Speed World. Got the Camaro SS 1LE, automatic 10 speed. Bought it today. See what a baseline, see what it does stock. I'm hoping it does 12s, low 12s, mid 12, you know, 12.5 or less. I'm racing Rob. His is stock too, so hopefully, you know, the difference in power makes up in the weight. And he has a way bigger tire than that car brings, but still, stock cars. We're gonna run him. We're here as a group. I'm kind of excited. I really want to record. I just want to go run, but we're gonna record for you guys since it's the first time I ever bring it, and to get a baseline run and see what it does. So we have the Camaro, we have the Supra, we got Lewis. Lewis came out. He wants to do his first pass on the stock M3. Marty's here in the GTI. Eddie's here, Bolton 85 Gen 3, and Danny's here with the Bolton ATSV. So we're just gonna run, have some fun. Once we get down the track, every time we're gonna talk about each run. We'll see how it goes. Oh, I beat Rob, but I wasn't recording. Let's see what time we did. Cars stick really good, so next time we're going traction all the way off. It wasn't competitive in both, so we'll see. I didn't even start the draggy or anything. Jesus Christ. I had to get that first run out of the way. Let's see. We got a $5 bid too to see who cuts the big reaction time. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, what's up, boss?
Thank you.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing? Good. Damn, Rob ran a 12.0. 12.3. Not bad. 1960 foot. That's what this car is gonna yield. 12.3 at 113. Let's see if he wants to run it back. I gotta call him.
Yo, you're lucky you cut a better light than me. Yeah, you're so lucky. My shit got sideways at the thing, and I had to let off a little.
Hey, do you want to run again?
I'll run again.
Okay. Your time's faster, so
Yeah.
stop sleeping at the damn light.
I seen you get off. I was like, fuck, this guy got off on me.
You know what? I was so nervous. I'm like, okay, I gotta turn the camera on. I gotta turn the draggy. I had everything on. I didn't set anything to record.
Oh, dang.
Like halfway down, I'm looking for you, and I know you're in my blind spot, so I turned it on.
I wasn't
Alright, so SS 1LE, first pass. 12.3, not bad. Bobby's here. What you gonna run, Bobby?
Hopefully the 11s.
11s? You better. Kick it. Alright guys, so it's super loud right now, but here we go. 12.3 at 113. We got a $5 bet on who cuts the best reaction time, so I gotta get better on this. But 1960 foot, and I didn't even spun, so that means I gotta get harder on it off the line. All right, so I was in sport mode, competition mode. This time I'm gonna turn traction all the way off, but I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna change the suspension. I want the suspension to be in touring, so the car actually leans back. We're gonna try that, and then everything else is fine. I'm gonna put it back in sport, or I'm gonna put it in track and take everything off. Hopefully we won't spin. Did a good grab, so we'll see. All right, I beat Rob on the first run. This one, I gotta get on or I'm gonna lose. I read it. Dang it. I wonder by how much. About to find out. Thank you. Thank you. Damn. 12.2. 12.2. I'm getting better. I spun a lot that time, but I stayed on it because it wasn't hopping, so I let it spin. Wait for the rest of the guys here. ¿Qué corriste ahora? 12-1. ¡Y a diablo! Ahora lo hice manual. 12-2. Bajaste uno. Sí. Alright, so second run. First one was in sport, competitive mode. The car did not spin. Of course, traction control probably helped with that. And the suspension, the second time I went to street suspension and I went track mode and TC all the way off, and it ran the 12.9 at 114. So mile per hour went out, but I spun. I red lit too, trying to get that $5 bet. We made a $5 bet that whoever cuts the best reaction time, everybody pays $5 and they win the pot. You know, we got Bobby in it, we got Marty in it, we got the Supra, the Rob in it, I'm in it, Eddie's in it, and we have Lewis in the M3 too. That's pretty cool, baby, team friends. This is gonna be fun. But let's see. Now I get to race Bobby. So we'll see what we can do better. I'm gonna go back to sport mode, and I don't know if I'm gonna turn everything off. I think I'm just gonna go in competitive mode, sport mode, and competitive mode. And I'm gonna try to just launch it like harder. I want to cut that time. I want to really cut a reaction time, you know. The car already ran what I wanted to run, less than a 12.5. You know, it ran a 12.3, now a 12.2. Now I'm just for the fun of hopefully winning the reaction time between friends. So we'll see how that goes. We're gonna end the night with one more run, and we're gonna take the Camaro and we're gonna run the M3. He ran a 12.2, a 12.1, and now a 12.3. And I've been stuck on 12.3, 12.2, and 12.3. So we're running about the same. This is first time here too. He's doing really good. Just gotta work on that reaction time, and if he does really good on reaction time, it's gonna be a really good race. The car's quick, so we'll see. Low 12-second cards, about to have some fun.
V8 Camaro.
I'll be back in problem.
Huh?
Javi, what's your cash at?
Hey, now run back and get your brother and bring him with you. No. Yeah.
All right, so last run of the night, sure as shit, I got gapped by an M3. Like we said before, he ran a 12.2, 12.1, 12.3, and just now, I mean, the weather's super cool. I got out on him first, and then he just came back like nothing. I was recording with my helmet. I turned my helmet so I could record him passing me, because he passed me towards the end. And then I was cursing, and I got mad that I looked at the helmet, and it wasn't recording. But here it is. He ran an 11.9 at 117, and I ran a 12.3 at 114. Not the best light I cut before, but damn, man, damn. Just at the end, the N3 got the Camaro. So that's pretty much it for tonight. We're gonna go eat. It's been fun. I don't know where I recorded. I'm gonna try to put a video together, because you get here, you get to having fun. If not, for sure, I'll sit at the house and we'll go through the runs and we'll go through the slips and we'll talk about it a little bit more. But if you enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up, comment, let us know what you think. The car did pretty good, low 12, so the first time out. Let's see when we do a couple mods and a couple things. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe, and see you guys later. Peace.